Buddy, gusto mo ba yung affordable na hindi townhouse? Yes, meron po tayong affordable duplex minimalist house for as low as 6,775 monthly DP ay talaga namang napakasulit nito dahil may minimum lot size ito na 58.5 square meters kaya naman may provision ito for 2 carport. Yes po, meron tayong extra space sa side, front, and back na pwede nating gamitin for future home expansion. Meaning ay pwede nyo pong palakihan or lagyan ng extension para mas lumawak ang inyong floor area. Ang floor area nito ay 45.5 square meters. So kahit wala ka pang expansion, ay may enough space na tayo for living, dining, and kitchen area. Basic finish turnover, ang advantage nito ay mako-customize ninyo ang design ng tiles, color ng paint, sukat at layout ng mga rooms. And may provision ito for 2 to 3 bedrooms. Pre-selling property kaya naman very affordable. At alam mo ba na ito ay may 100,000 discount ngayon? At naka-half reservation fee tayo for as low as 7,500. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!